Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over 5 different leg workouts that requires very little space and no equipment. Now let's get started. The first exercise we're going to do is called a skater lunge. I'm sure most of you have probably seen this done before. All we're going to do, we're just going to stand feet side by side. We're just going to pick up one leg and we're going to hop to that side and land on that leg. When you land, you want to make sure that your knee is bent and that you really focus on sticking that landing. From here, we're just going to go the other way. So this foot's going to go over here, boom, and I'm going to stick that landing. And all you're going to do is hop back and forth, really focusing on just sticking that landing and working on your balance, your coordination from hopping side to side. I recommend that you do this 20 times for 3 sets. I personally really like this drill because not only does it really help me work on my legs, it isolates each leg and it helps with the balance and the coordination. The next exercise we're going to do is going to be a lunge into a knee, kind of like a small little jump. So from here, all you're going to do is take one foot back into the lunge, and then you're going to explode up and do a small little hop. Okay? This is really isolating that one leg and really helping you focus on driving up that back knee up as well. So once again, you're going to take one leg, you're going to go back into a lunge, and then you're going to explode up with this one, and then hop off the opposite foot. I want you to do this 10 times with the right, 10 times with the left, and do this for a total of 3 sets. So once again, that one leg is going to go back, and then you're going to explode up. You're jumping off of this one, and then you're exploding your knee up with the back one. Boom. Coming up, and then resetting. This is really more of an explosive drill, and once again, it is kind of isolating each leg. This next one is definitely going to be a little bit of a challenge, but it's really going to get you working, okay? We're going to start off with your knees on the ground just like this. From here, you're going to explode up to your feet. So when doing this, you want to make sure that you really focus on just driving your hips forward and exploding up and getting your feet to the ground. So from here, boom. That's the first part. The second part, you're going to do a long jump going forward. And then all you're going to do is turn around, knees go back on the ground, and you're going to repeat it. You come up, and then long jump going forward. Okay, you're going to do this back and forth. I recommend that you do this 6 times for 3 sets. It's really going to get you working, and it's definitely focused more on the explosivity side of things. Next drill, we're going to go back to starting off in our lunge position. From here, we're going to do 3 switching lunges. So it's going to look like this. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then when you come up, you're going to do 3 kicks. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you're going to do the other side. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're doing a total of 3 switching lunges, and then you're going to come up and do 3 repeating roundhouse kicks. I recommend that you do this 6 times total, so you're going to do 3 on the right, 3 with your left, and then you're going to do this for a total of 3 sets. In this last drill, we're going to do some wall kicks. All I want you to do is just pick 5 different kicks or 5 different variations of some kicks, and you're going to do that 10 times on your right, 10 times on your left. So you're doing a total of 5 sets, but I want you to make sure each one is different. Okay? For example, for one of them, you could do like front snap kicks, you could do roundhouse kicks, you can do side kicks, you could do hook kicks, or you could do axe kicks. Or you could do some type of like combination of those. You could do like cut roundhouse, you could do low high roundhouse. Just kind of get creative with it. But if you need something a little bit more simple, a little bit more basic, which there's nothing wrong with that, it's always good to practice your basics. You could do something like snap kick, roundhouse, side kick, hook kick, and axe kick. There's your 5 right there. Okay, or get a little bit more creative. But whichever ones you choose, make sure you do 10 on the right, 10 on the left, and make sure you get 5 sets of this done. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to let me know what other at-home workouts you would like to see in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.